Yes guys, big up once again. Yeah man, thanks for tuning in to the channel. Yeah man, today I am in the Mandeville area, so I will be giving you a little tour from Mandeville roundabout through to Kendal. Right, so stay tuned, journey with me and watch what I go on. Jones Highway. Yeah man, going down to Kendal. And guys, when you're traveling on this road, please be careful. Look out for the speeding vehicles, because you know they don't drive slowly on this road. Over here on the left we have Grant Welding Company. Yeah man, and over on the right we have the Sugar Industry Authority. That's the Sugar Research Road. So I will be taking a left here that takes you to Kendal, or through Kendal. Over on the left, over here we have the Mud Lake. Yes guys, so I want to say a special big up to the Jamaica #1 tour guide Fire Raid. Yeah man, Fire Raid, big up yourself. Maurice Kingpin, trucking it JA. Yes man. Yes guys, so this is the shorter route to Christiana. Yeah man. So on the left here we have the old Kendal Road. Yes guys, please be careful through this road guys, because we have school here. So you know, this is the school zone. We have over here the right, we have the Kendal All Age and Primary School. Yeah man. And guys, please obey all road signs. So guys, over here on the right we have the Kendal Seventh-day Adventist Church. And if you guys know about the Kendal crash, you guys can leave it in the comment section. Yeah man. Big up wherever you guys are watching from. Yeah man, always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. This is where the whole road ends out guys. Yeah man. We are in the Kendal Square now. careful guys when driving, watch out for potholes, and always remember to stay on your side. Your side is always the right side. Over here we have the Kendal football field on the left. Coming around the corner here, we have the Kendal police station. On the right here, we have the Kendal police station. Yes, and we have a yam house over here on the right. They export yam, guys. So and up on the hill there, they have the irrigation drip place. I don't remember the name. Isratec. Yes, the name is Isratec. So where you can go and get your plastics for your greenhouses and all of those things for your farming. So guys, I am nearing the end of this video, so I am going to take the right turn here. The right turn here takes you to Christiana. The left turn takes you to Mile Gully, Comfort Hall, Balaclava, and you name it. Yes guys, so over here on the left you have the Pica Pepper factory, guys. Over here they make the best pepper sauce in Jamaica. Yes man. So guys, I am ending this video now, so always remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.